Dreamers, after each affirmation, you will get the time to repeat the affirmation out loud or in your mind. Whichever you choose, say it with belief. I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself. I am worthy. I am abundant. I am happy. I am peaceful. I am confident. I am powerful. I am healthy. I am safe. I am successful. I am strong. I am self-disciplined. I am magnificent. I am accepting change. I am enough. I am grateful. I am creative. I am blessed. I am brave. I am unstoppable. I am resilient.
Keep believing in yourself, keep striving for greatness, and keep dreaming beyond big.